be going to show you how you can go ahead and create the, the Azure Front Door profile, how you can configure all the rule set which is required there, and how exactly it can help you to enhance the performance of your application. Now, in my case, I am already logged in the Azure. So I have two app service running, App 01 and App 02. I would be going to use the App 02 here. So let's first go ahead and create the Azure Front Door. Now I need to go into the all resources. I need to search for Azure Front Door. So I'm just going to click on create. I need to create on where I want to do that. So I'm selecting this resource group and this location has been automatically picked from resource group. Now, if you see, it doesn't allow me to select the location since it's the global service, so the location doesn't matter. Now, in the front end, I need to configure what exactly the host name is going to be for this Azure Front Door. So 02 I am going to create. So why I have given the FT02 because I already have a FT01 created. So I'm selecting the FT02 and then I need to configure the backend. So I'm selecting a backend. So if you see, I have plenty of options to select the backend, but in my case, I'm only using the app service, and here I'm using the app service 02, and it automatically picking up the weight and purity. But I can configure it if I'm using a multiple endpoints in the backend. In my case, I already have a one, so I'm just using the simple configuration, and then I need to define the routing. So routing is something we are going to select what exactly the front end and back end is going to be. So I'm just using the match request so that it can accept the request on the HTTP and HTTPS both. And just go ahead and click on create. Now, this is going to be take a little time. So once the Azure Front Door profile has been created, it's also going to be take a little time to respond on the front end, since it need to go ahead and check the backend health and has to have all the configuration imported in the Azure Front Door. So it's going to take a little time to respond on the Azure Front Door and endpoint. Now, if I go here in the all resources, I would be able to see there's a one more front door profile is being created. So in my case, I already have FD and FD01 already up and running. So I would be able to see one more front door profile is being created with FD02. So yeah, the deployment has been successfully completed. So let's go ahead and refresh. We would be able to see FD02. Yep, here is it. So if I go to this URL, I would be going to get a page not found because it need to take a few seconds. If you say if this is a newly configured that you recently created, it might be not ready. You should check it after few minutes. So it means we have to wait for few minutes to get the response on this endpoint for the Azure Front Door. So meanwhile, what I can do, I can show you with the another one which I already have running with the FT01. So my FT01 is already have the backend endpoint configured on the app service. So if I go here in the front door designer, or if I go to the backend pool, I would be able to show you like it's being hosted on the app 01. Now let me show you one important thing here. So if I copy here, if I go to this, let me open the developer tool. Let me go and go to this app service. So if you see, this has been taken a 2.11 second to load the app service directly to the app service from the directly to the app service URL. But at the same time, if I use this front door URL to load the application, it's going to take a very less time. So if you see, it have taken a 2.11 2.6 seconds, and here with the apps it has taken a 2.11 seconds. So this is the first time I'm browsing, so that's the reason it's have taken the little higher time as compared to the app, as compared to the front door performance. But if I go ahead and browse it again, uh, so let me first open the developer option, and if I go here and go again, you would see it have taken us 1.619 millisecond to load the app application from the front door. So this is how it can help you to, if you see like it's here, it's have taken a lot of time to load the website, but if you see here it have taken just a 1 millisecond to load the website. So that's how Azure Front Door can help you to enhance the application performance. At the same time, it do have a web application firewall which allows you to protect the Azure Front Door as well, at the same way you do with the application gateway. So you can apply all the web policy on top of that, and then you do have options to configure all the custom rules. So let's say you don't want to use the default rules which is being there to route the traffic, but you want to have some sort of custom rules on top of that. You can use this rule engine configuration, and you can submit all these custom rule here as well. And then you do have other options like alerts, metrics, diagnostic setting, all of them you can do here. So that's what I have for you in the demo for Azure Front Door. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Or if you need any kind of help, please feel to reach us. Thank you.